Jadi di sini saya sedang melakukan one way interview atau disebutnya interview satu arah gitu. Interview satu arah ini maksudnya bukan interview langsung dengan HR atau tim teknikalnya secara langsung, tapi hasilnya dalam bentuk video atau pre-recorded. Platformnya ini menggunakan onewayinterview.com. Nah, di platformnya ini setiap pertanyaan itu jawabannya mengharuskan video, jadi harus diupload gitu videonya. Nah, sebenarnya bisa mengupload langsung dari sini, tapi saya udah mencoba berulang kali, laptop saya ini trouble, proses uploadnya tuh selalu gagal gitu, entah networknya yang gagal lah, kameranya yang gagal lah, banyak lah pokoknya. Jadi sengaja saya rekam kayak gini pakai handphone, dan layarnya ini saya rekam pakai OBS. Ini biar interviewinya tahu sih, si HR-nya itu atau tim teknikalnya itu tahu aja. Nah, di sini ada 3 pertanyaan. Pertanyaan pertama, kedua, sama ketiga. Semuanya mengharuskan upload video ya, upload jawabannya berupa video. Tapi cukup saya rekam pakai handphone kayak gini harusnya udah cukup sih. Oke, saya coba jawab di pertanyaan nomor 1. Dan ini sepertinya mewajibkan saya menjawab pakai bahasa Inggris. Oke, saya jawab sebisa saya aja. Your company become very slow, especially after few code and SQL changes recently. Describe the step and tools you would use to troubleshoot slowness. I think this first question is like, how do we handle the legacy code to work as expected while we adding some features or refactor the legacy code? I think the first thing I'm gonna do is like doing SQL query optimization, SQL query caching using Memcache if that possible, and I'm gonna do deploying the app inside a Docker to make multiple containers so it's easily to scale. But I think before doing all of those things, I need to understand the core function or core services of this application, such as understanding the core business logic or core function, I guess. Yeah, I think that's my first question. My first answer of question number 1. Okay, next move to question number 2. Your company constantly some second web as the lead developer suggests idea to improve the loading time. I think this second question is like pretty common question, especially for backend developer like me. I think it's not about the Angular or the front-end framework, the Angular or React itself. It's because the long list of JSON response coming from the backend. Maybe the JSON list is too large or too long, so we need to implement such as a paginated JSON list. Maybe we can do a paginated per 10 item per request or 20 item per request. Yeah, stuff like that. Just doing a paginated JSON list, I think it's enough to improve the loading time. Oh yeah, anyway, I never use Angular in my life actually. I don't even know the documentation is. Okay, that's my answer for second question. Next, move to the third question. This is last. As the lead developer, find out every time a new feature is released, an existing feature stop looking expected. You are under pressure from your boss to release features quickly. Outline the steps and tools you would use to ensure both speed and code quality. Uh, this question like this questions like is like asking how to deliver the features quickly and the code quality meet the standard. I think we need to do a unit testing for every features for every existing features to work as expected and do some GitHub action to automate the testing. And the code quality, what about the code quality? I need to, maybe I will do a code review every time before doing a PR and making some plan with my teams to make a, maybe like imagine this scenario. If something bad happen in the production, so we don't have the plan to recover that disaster situations, so I think my team and I need to have some specific plans such as doing backup or recovery plan or bug fixing plan or critical changes discovery plan, something like that. So yeah, I think unit testing and major discover or mitigation plan is the answer for the last question. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's my answer for the last question. Thank you.